Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking you for a short walk in a charming Swedish town, Motala, which lays by the Vättern, Sweden's second biggest lake, precisely where the Göta Canal continues towards Stockholm. It is Easter Sunday, the weather is not too bad but a bit chilly and windy, so I apologize if the sound sometimes suffers from the weather conditions. We start the walk at the church and we'll continue around the small harbour. So let's see how this works without stabilization. Because
It's gonna look like an earthquake.
no, but I don't have the right SD card, so I kind of messed it up. But we are in Motala, so that's gonna be a handheld video with my iPhone. There is a beautiful church there. I don't wanna go into church, even if it's an Easter Sunday.
You're filming. Excuse me, how can you believe in a God that is the birthday, right?
Oh, why are you always coming with these political statements like in the beginning of the video? Like, at least wait until the end. No one watches at the end.
Is it the Vagabond expose?
It's like in one sentence, you literally, yeah. Well, anyway.
Cut our viewer.
Yeah, the viewers in half. But that is Motala, which is a very small city in the middle of Sweden. And we are here for a couple of days. I didn't film yesterday because I was coughing still my lungs out. You can still hear it on my voice.
Are you feeling it?
It's much better. It's just obviously the cold. The cold air will not help too much.
It's quite cold here. It's part of Vättern.
Yeah.
So it's quite
Here we go. It's Easter mice and Easter eggs. Let's try to walk this way instead. See if we can catch the. And I don't know how much people can hear what I say from the wind, but yeah. Can't use anything of my setup because the SD card is not on my side. Anyway.
So just walk short there and then turn up to the station.
Yeah, exactly. It's gonna be a short video. We will just go down to
Show off the place.
just show off a little bit how Motala looks. Did I?
This is Folkets.
Folkets hus.
You see that bridge over there?
Yes.
I think it wasn't there before. It was very inconvenient. You had to drive through Motala.
I drove on it.
Not one nowadays. You can you don't have to go into Motala per se.
I think now it's a little easier to see the bridge.
I think they actually there was a tour before, but people were furious.
Really? I don't remember that. Here we go. So that's the bridge there. It's a nice little city, honestly. Yeah, it's hello.
Hello.
It's not that warm right now, but not that cold either. Motala dates back to the 13th century. However, for several centuries it was only a small village, mainly regarded as a stopping post on the road to the nearby town Vadstena, one of the cultural centers in the medieval Sweden. However, King Gustav Vasa had a manor house built at Motala, and later Queen Christina had a summer residence built at the spa resort not far from the village. When the Göta Canal was built in the early 19th century, Motala became an important town for the trade on the canal. The town received minor privilege status as köping, which means marketplace in English, in 1823, while full city rights were granted as of 1st of April 1881. The harbour is famous not only because it is a passing point to the Göta Canal, but because of the Motala Verkstad, which is an engineering company specializing in railway and bridge construction equipment. However, what makes it recognizable is not only the company, but the fact that it appears in Jules Verne's science fiction novel 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, because the prow of the submarine Nautilus was built at Motala Verkstad. Later, major Swedish industrial manufacturers such as Electrolux and Luxor had their main factories built in the city. The city is an important connection point even now, although the Göta Canal has lost its original importance. It has been built to avoid the Öresund Pass and evade the Danish toll obligations, and to establish an alternative route between Stockholm and Gothenburg. However, the canal never fully lived up to its hopes. It was quite narrow and the construction was very expensive. Also, after the Danish-Swedish War ended, the great powers pressured Denmark to eliminate the tolls and allow ship traffic through the Öresund. The city still hosts many buildings, however, from this era. You will see them around the harbour. So nice little townhouses and hotels. And the motor museum. And that's obviously industrial harbour. And the big bridge. And so yeah, the residential areas are there, obviously. That's like hotel and restaurants, let's say it like that, and then industry.
The sun helps a lot.
I like how it's reflecting in the window. It's like there is a big ocean here. Very typical Swedish restaurant. Yeah, the blue, yeah, exactly. Blue flags, umbrellas. Parasol. And I love that these kind of restaurants, they have window all the way. So it's very light.
You're supposed to go in there and eat silver.
Oh, that's the old bridge.
It is.
Yeah, let me zoom in on it.
How many bridges can you spot?
All of them.
The water is quite nice.
Yes. Oh, it's sparkling.
It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow.
actually closed to get the job, you know, on one of these restaurants.
Really?
Not here, but Stefan and I, we got in contact with someone. They were looking for, you know, young people to work at those, you know, the summer restaurants.
Yeah, but you would have had a terrible backache with your height.
Backache and a few sexual harassment, I'm sure.
Yeah, your ass is too high up, so easy to grab.
Yeah, how about we go turn around here and go back to Main Square?
Oh, we have to go back to the restaurant or the hotel, right?
Yeah.
That's where they will come.
I need to
Again?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, it still became like, or will be like a 15-minute walking. It's not that bad.
No.
Sure, it's a little more shaky than the usual, but
I mean, if we manage to get some more shots, that's important.
let's hope that, I mean, I know that iPhones have quite a good software stabilization.
They have.
Yeah. So we can hope that it's not as shaky as I can see it right now. Beautiful house. It's now blog. So that's the channel, the Utah channel company. I guess it's a freight company.
Yeah, I'm not too familiar with the history, but
Because that's here is the Utah, right?
yeah, it's some part of it. It goes straight through.
Let me make another shot. Because this is a beautiful building. Really beautiful building.
What a weird Swedish flag.
You're really not making it easy for me today. I can't really cut this video that much.
You can add a little to it whenever I go.
The what?
You can add a small tune.
Yes, it's a beautiful place. I really like this area here. It's gonna be a lovely weather for cycling for sure. Oh well, I guess this was a small introduction to Motala. And I know, I just wanna see what's there. Then we can go up. Just enjoy these small places. Oh, this is actually amazing. Okay, just wait here, just a sec. I want to show the water gates. The water house. And that's the other one. Alright, well, this was today a little shorter, especially because I'm on my phone, so it's hard to do anything. And we will be traveling now. So, thank you everyone for watching, and hope you enjoyed, even if it was just short. And see you next time. Bye!
Bye!